So I'm at it again. There's Zenji watching me. Something must have happened to my audio, but this is me trying out my new GoPro camera. So you can tell me what you think in the comments. I'm just learning how to use it. I am back to my cardboard furniture project for the van. And this doesn't look like it's much of anything, but you'll be surprised when I get it done. This is going to be holding my clothes, large things in the bottom, things like underwear, shirts, whatever, and the place for a power station should fit right there. So once I get it all done, I'll get it all covered and with contact paper and white tape, and it'll look great, just like the others. Sorry about my voice, allergies. Stay tuned. So there is my new dresser for the van. It is a little funky. Okay, so we're in the van and I have put the new clothing cabinet in the van. You can see everything has a place. So there's a little extra space here, so I put my books and stuff on top of there. This is held down by these little dots. So I have these little dots that, I closed up the bag. Hard to do with one hand. These are little no stick-em dots, and you put these on the bottoms of your things and it stops them from moving around. So there is my clothing cabinet, and now I have access to the back of my van. Way more room, more places to store. I have all that space back there as my garage for when I go on longer trips. I can put my chair and table, my big table, my chair, and a few other things there. And I have my kitchen. This leans a little forward, so I need to do a couple things to prop it up a little better. I think I'm going to create a strap from here, back here, there to help hold it. And I already braced up the bottom, but I think I need to put another brace underneath to tilt it back just a little. I like to push it back just a little bit. So there, I have all of my lightweight tops up here. Lightweight pants are there. Heavier tops here. Underwear, socks. There's a belt. There's a little air purifier. I still have to find the cord to that one. But I have all my winter, and I also have some swimming stuff in here. Jeans and heavier sweaters and pajamas and and a belt if I need one. So that is ready to go. On our next trip. I need to add some more blankets to these pillows. That's where I store my extra sheets and blankets, are in the pillows. Also in that pillow. And yeah, it's coming along. Using up all the space that I have. Trying to make the best of all the space. I've got extra sweaters back here, and then under that is my garage. My emergency roadside kit and everything I might need, oil and antifreeze, everything is all back there. And there's my cabinet, upper cabinets, lower cabinets. That is, yeah, I'm pretty proud of myself. And my potty is out because I cleaned it, and it does need to be in here because I'm on everyday driving mode right now. So that goes back in there, the toilet goes back in there when I'm in travel mode. Okay.